Good morning everybody, and welcome back to another video on the Glenelg River once again, as it shouldn't be a surprise anymore. But they've just drained it yesterday and it has already dropped about a metre to a metre and a half just overnight, which is pretty surprising. I wasn't quite thinking it would do that so fast, but it has. And in the background of me you can probably see some of where, like, the water line where it has been up to, which is pretty ridiculous. I am currently sliding around on the landing because it is that slippery, because it's been underwater for about a month or two now. So yeah, well, we're gonna give it a flick. Hopefully we can put out some nice sized bream, and yeah, we'll see what we can get done. So get back to you when we catch something. That probably gives you a better look at what the banks are currently looking like, where the tree line is now. It's just looking beautiful, looking very broomy and perchy. So hopefully we can pull out some monsters. That's hooked up. Just up around the corner. Not too big, but he is a fish. Net's still in the thing. Hopefully you don't need it. It's just a little perch. Nice.
You like that little prawn?
Probably a little pine prawn. Right there in the gold.
Not bad size, actually.
Not bad.
Clone prawn. Nice. Yeah. This little fella.
Right out of there. Yep. Little perch. Very little one. Oh, it's a little bream. Yep. Fish is a fish, nonetheless. Come on. Why are the little bream the worst? Barbless straight out. Absolute monster. He'd be pushing 50 millimeters. Off he goes. I think that's what there is, plenty of little ones hungry.
Yeah, this is why I can do this stuff.
It's a bit dirtier here. Or it's just because it's darker.
No, it's because old mate fucking cruised fast with the boat. Smashed it all up.
Yep.
Jesus.
He's not a bad fish. He's coming up. He's little, but
Oh, he's going.
best bite of the day.
The net's just...
Oh yeah, it's under there still. I just kept letting it sink.
Oh, yeah, this is a good spot.
I just kept letting it sink. He's a well dweller.
He's a good one.
He's getting in the well. Going in the well.
You get your camera going?
Yeah, I just turned it on before when I talked about Robbie's camera.
Nice fish, mate.
As in, not a bad fish.
Good spot. Just talking too that the water was dirty.
Yeah, a bit darker.
A little bit. Yeah. There's a bit of current getting around here.
Smacked him there.
He's
Right against the trees. He's actually, yeah, he'll go in the well. Yeah, nice. Should be barbless, so yep, bang, out she comes. Yes. Beauty. Going in the well.
We filled it.
Yeah.
A little bit more in there.
He really wants it. It's the fourth go if it goes for it again. Yeah, oh.
It's just little, I think. I'm not sure what this is. Is it a rock?
Yeah, it's a rock. He's not setting the hook like a maniac.
Yours, is that?
What?
What is that?
Doesn't feel too bad.
Is that on crank?
No. Plastic.
Oh, it's not a good one.
It's another legal.
Yeah. Oh, I'm shit pants.
Oh yeah. I mean, it's another 30, mid-30s sort of thing.
Alright.
He is. Yeah, he's about a 33. Again.
Yeah.
Second 33. The lure back to 29 measurement. Lure back 29. Oh no, he's only a 31. Guess what? It's still legal. Still legal, so in the tank you go, buddy. Go in there and join Mr. 33. There, oh yeah, mullet. Look at him. Ridiculous amounts of them. Hungry, very. Can you come off that grass real quick? Thank you. Got one.
Got him! Mullet's a
Got a mullet. Yeah, and he's actually eating that. That's a 3-inch plastic. Oh, there we go.
That's quite good.
He's got a bit more fight in him. Now. I got a mullet. And I didn't snag it.
No, we actually ate it. Same as the one I got.
Good bait. We're going to keep him?
Yeah.
Come on.
Would you like a hand? Because you're going to snap that tip.
Yes, please.
Good class, mate. Got him.
Got him. Good size mullet.
He actually ate it in the mouth.
He actually ate it. He ate a 3-inch soft plastic.
In the mouth.
Oh, and he dropped the 3-inch plastic that he just ate.
You're getting about the trees.
Please have the pliers. This thing isn't barbless. Got one very aggressive little bream right there on a little matte black crank.
Couldn't tell you who made it.
Couldn't tell you who made it, yeah.
Probably
Because
from
it's,
Temu.
yeah, Temu, something like that. But off he goes. Absolutely came up and just annihilated it though. Dad got another cracker in there. Water's a bit dirty. Probably give it a freshen up soon. And yeah, we got 3 bream and a mullet in there. So, cracker. Yep. Yeah, little one. Literally, I was just jerking it around and went to not even meaningly set the hook into a fish. But that one's not swallowing it, so that's good. this one didn't swallow it. It just fell out. Oh. Yeah. Actually, look like bass. Yeah, pretty much what I got mine on. It wasn't even a good cast. Just slappity dapping it. Yeah. Yeah. Go for it, we can cook them up tonight. Probably 28, I think it's the same as bream. It'd be on here, on the measure mat in here. Yep. No. Pardon? Yeah. Do you reckon we made it to 30 yet? Nah, I don't think so. Looks like fun. Maybe a better one.
On the top.
Alright, he looks better though. Looks like a not half bad one.
Oh, he looks alright. He's alright. He's going in the basket.
Yeah. Oh yeah, he's going in the esky. He's gonna make a good taste of one.
He's going in the basket. He's a good one. He's the best one all day.
Oh yeah. Easy best one all day.
Yeah.
There, that's a heavy fish too. That's a good one. That's a good one.
Yeah, that's on the top.
Yeah, even more exciting. I'm getting my bender out.
Oh, mate. Never surprised. He's swallowed that.
Yep. Perch. Perch. I got a better perch. Ah, he's little compared to what we caught last week.
Yeah.
But he got a good eat on it. Like, he swallowed it. Swallowed it, swallowed it. That was in a little hole. He made it. Yeah, this one's gonna have to be a bigger fish to come have a go at this one. It's gonna have to be a pretty decent one. Oh, oh! He broke me off instantly. That was massive. Oh my god! It came up and I went, dung. It took my leader. No, it didn't. It just snapped me clean at my knot. Oh, yep.
Yes.
Oh, it took so long. I let it sink, so I got down to depth a bit more. It's not going to make up for the one that I lost, because God, that was a good one. The one that I lost. Still not a bad one though.
Yeah, nice.
That's a keeper.
It's a keeper. Yeah, I might upsize the little ones actually.
Yeah.
Because that one I got's a little bit bigger than the one I just pulled in.
Yep. Dad's hooked up on the troll. I'm not sure what it is, but looks pretty nice.
perch, maybe? No, it's bream.
Ah, it's not even that big.
Not that big, it just feels heavy.
Mm.
But they're weighty.
There's Twitch in like his swim. Yeah, he's not even that big.
Yeah.
It just had some go in it.
There's a heap of go on it. I'll just grab claws. Cool.
Off he goes. Little bream on the pygmy mussel.
There's one, mate.
Yep. Nah, not. On the pygmy mussel. Can you get a release on these cracker bream? Not massive, but
Oh, around the same size, around
all about
32,
the same size.
33.
Yeah.
Back down the wrong way. It's everyone. Oops. There we go.
Okay. Nice. Well, everybody, that is going to be a wrap on today's video. It was another ripper. The perch were absolutely firing down the river when the water dropped. Smacking top water all day long, which was really good to see, because who doesn't love a good top water perch bite? You'd have to be crazy not to. Standout soft plastic for the day would be the Hurricane Sprat 75s in the Machete UV colour. They're the only ones I have currently, but would definitely be looking into getting some more in different colours because they were absolutely spectacular. Rod and reel for the day was the Atomic Arrows Bream Crank and the Atomic Arrows 70 SUL, the Estuary series rods. The reels on those rods were both Shimano Nasky 1000s, both spooled up with 12-pound Tasline and 6-pound Nomad leader. Actually, I think I had 4-pound Nomad leader on the soft plastic rod. But yeah, rip a day out on the water. Not much else I can really say. Plenty of fish caught. And yeah, that's about it. I mean, make sure you like and subscribe for future videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.